Hello everyone, my name is Sandy Pradhan and I will be teaching you guys about how to use Project Control to monitor project duration and cost. The purpose of using Project Control method is to monitor its progress of a project as it is being completed. Project Control methods can access the risk of the project by checking the progress of the project against the original plan for both duration and cost. Discrepancies that are identified in Project Control can be addressed. We will use the data provided to find various calculations that will help a project manager determine the current status and future expectations of this project. Using the information in the table with the expected and actual durations, a tracking Gantt chart will be created. Here we have the Gantt chart. The blue line in the Gantt chart indicates the actual duration, and the red line indicates that the project is nearly coming to end and we are running short on time. Thus, for the completed task, it would show that obtaining the list of patients and sampling patients would take longer than planned, while printing the survey would take the length of time as expected. To calculate the rate of performance, we will divide the actual work by the planned work. For this example, we will only be using activities A, B, and C for this calculation. However, activity C is not part of the critical path, so we will only use activities A and B for the calculation. For the actual work, we add up the number of weeks for activities A and B in the completed duration column, so it is 6 weeks. For the plan work, we add up the numbers of weeks for activities A and B in the planned duration column, which is 3 weeks. Plugging in the numbers of weeks we just found, we see that the rate of performance is 6 weeks divided by 3 weeks, which gives us the rate of performance of 2.0, or 200%. Here we have the critical path table. The critical path refers to when the completed duration is longer than the planned duration. Shown in red, activities C and G did not lie on the critical path, so the sum of their weeks will be subtracted from the total weeks. The total number of weeks not on the critical path is there for 5 weeks. The original project budget is a sum of the cost listed in the final column of the table, which is highlighted in green. This sums up to $31,500 for the original estimated project budget. That being said, the current budget estimate cannot be determined with the information that is provided in the column. To calculate, we would need information on how much money has been spent thus far on the project. Overall, the project control task has taught us the importance of measuring and constructing the task, along with distributing the proper resources and allocating the accurate amount of duration. From using tools such as the Gantt chart, the information that is displayed, which enables the team working on the project to enhance themselves enough time to successfully completing a specified task. The information that is displayed will permit any stakeholders or end users in grasp of the approximately when or what is expected to successfully completing the project at hand. Gantt charts are relevant to stakeholders and valid for the entire project. That will be all for project control. Thank you guys for listening and hope you guys have a great day.